1239, there once lived a girl of a royal line. The ancient stories do recall she was the fairest of them all. In a castle made of stone, every night she slept alone. Any noise that would raise the dead couldn't wake her sleepy head. Oh, a stranger came from a foreign land, asking for the maiden's hand. Her father said, no, go away. She's gonna marry a king one day. The stranger, he came back again, riding with 10,000 men. The battle cries